Hi, welcome to Techno Brainiac. Today I am going to show y'all how to make y'all's computer faster. Alright, so we're going to head over here to the search menu over here, and we're going to type in settings. From settings, we're going to go from here and go to privacy. From privacy, we're going to go to background apps. We're going to uncheck all of these. And what this will do, it keep the services from starting up in the background, so it should free up some RAM and it won't be running all the time. But I will leave Windows security on. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is open up your run menu. You can do this one or three ways. You can go over here to the window icon and click run, and then the other one you can do is type in run, or you can hit Windows and R and get to the run menu. So what we're going to go to is msconfig. From msconfig, we're going to go to services, where we don't want to turn any of these off. We're going to go to hide all Microsoft services. And then from here, we're going to turn this, and this off. I will leave your video graphics cards on, and if you want, you can leave this on, or you can uncheck it if you want to, but I'm just going to leave that on. And we're going to hit apply, and we're going to hit OK. And it'll ask you, do you want to restart your computer? I'm just going to hit exit without restart. And the next thing we're going to go to is back to the run menu. We're going to type in temp, and then from the temp, well, I will warn y'all on this temp menu right here. If you go to clear all of this out, because I've seen other videos that does this, I would recommend y'all not to clean this one out, because of the simple fact that if you hit delete, sometimes you can lose your video card. I end up losing it on mine, and I had to go back and reinstalling it on. But I done this to a friend's computer and also my other computer. I don't lose my video card. Alright, so the next thing we're going to go to is back to the run menu. We're going to type in temp again. And oh wait, I messed up. Sorry about this. A little bit tired. Percentage, and we're going to go to that. And this one I find safe to clean out, so I would just check all of them and delete. But it's in your trash menu right now, so I would also recommend cleaning this out. So how we can go about doing that is go to your search menu and type in clean up, and we're going to do C, and we're going to check all of these. and just hit enter. And this will also clean out the temp files as well. Alright, so now since we've done that, I'm going to recommend a program y'all can use. It is called Advanced System Care. I'll leave the link in the description in the box below. We're going to open this. Yes, I didn't click on it. Oh, okay. I was about to say, why ain't it opening? Oh well. So I am going to uncheck startup optimization. You might want that on, but I don't want that on right now. And we're going to clean all the junk files out. This will also search for spyware threats, so if you have any spyware on your computer, you can find it. In another video later on, I can teach y'all how to check for viruses and malware on your computer just using the command line or writing a .batch file to check for it. There's a difference between a batch file and a bash file. A batch file would be like if you had Linux, you can do a bash file, but a batch, sorry, I'm getting them mixed up. Batch file would be like your Windows command line, as a batch file would be as like a Linux terminal, the terminal inside the Linux. I'm talking about the BACH bash file. Like I said, I'm really tired. I was up all night last night making YouTube videos. Also, I think another thing I forgot to mention is you can go to Task Manager again, and we can go to Startup, and all these that are able, just uncheck them. Like, you know, this will also keep programs from starting up and using your RAM. But like I said, I will always leave Windows Security notification on. These will all start up when you click on them. Actually, I'm just going to leave that one on, but I'm going to disable this one. Some of them might be important to leave on. Keep that in mind. And I'll leave the link to this in the description below. After CCleaner hack, I would not trust CCleaner, so what I just now started using was Advanced System Care. later on I'll do some command line videos and teach y'all how to use the command line. Let me know if y'all want to learn how to use the command line. I'll make some simple, easy videos on how to use it. Alright, this is it for Technobrainiac.